Hello friends, I'm Jay and I'm here to do the analysis of all the forex pairs what I have been trading from since last 4 to 5 months and also do trade in BTC and gold. And I'm not going to trade other pairs except these ones what I already have here, and then I will do analysis on daily basis and will review my analysis on the weekend and to make sure that how can I improve it more and how can I do it better. This is my Propam account and I have to pass this challenge. Here is the remaining balance is 5020 and I have to make the more profit of $380 to pass this first step, and then I have to pass again the second stage, and then I will get the funding account. So I'm going to analyze all these pairs and the BTC and the gold. So I will make the trades on daily basis and will review every weekend. So here is the thing. Here is on the chart, and I will analyze first on the daily chart, and then we'll do on the 1 hour time frame, and then we'll look at the 15 minute. So starting with the BTC. So BTC is trading at the resistance level, which is at 93,000, around 200 to 500. So I'm going to plan this short trade entry. And here it is already at the support level in the short term. So we'll look into this more precise manner. So if it bounce back from here to here, go along with the 93,500, 400 zone, I will plan to go short here at this level with a stop loss of 93,600, and then my risk reward will be very better here. So 93,200 will be my entry zone. So let's say suppose 93,000 I have go short here, and the 500 is my stop loss, and then I will plan for the target of little more, and my target is just around these levels, which is near the support level. So I will try to get the target around these levels, which is also a very good support, and from here it started the very bullish run. So it may come down into this flow, but I'm not going to trade this because I'm planning to enter here. Otherwise I will, if I will enter here, so there will be no better risk reward ratio for me. Let's come to the second one, XAU USD, which is gold, and here is the resistance level, which is currently acting as a support level, and I'm planning to go long into this because the momentum is very strong and for the upside. So here is the stop loss I'm planning for, like it's 43.75 or something. If we look on the 15-minute time frame, there is more chances it is coming down from here. Currently, it is showing the bullish momentum, but I think so it is going to come down to the next support level, which is at 43.75, because it's already up 1.82%. Gold is already up today, so I think it may take a pullback from now into the next 1 or 2 days. So let's see how it works. And I don't have any plan to trade gold now, and I'm not going to trade the XAU USD and Ethereum in my Propam account because there is very high spread into this, so I'm not going to trade this. And next I will come to the GBP USD, which is very bearish in the short term, and if I look on the daily chart momentum is also bearish, and if it comes to this level I will plan a long trade. Otherwise this yellow line is acting as a very good resistance level for now, and if it crosses above this yellow line, which is the price of 1.34600, then I will plan for the long entry, and then come to the USD CHF, which is already very bullish, so it may come along here, and once it comes around this level, which is at around 880,000, so then I will plan to go short from these levels because it is a very good resistance level. It is going to act as a very good resistance level, and if you saw, this price has fallen down very hardly from this level, so it is not going to cross in just one flow from here to go continue upside. So I will plan to plan a short entry here, and the price will come down slowly, but my stop loss will be very strict here around this level. I will plan for the 1.1%, so I will plan for the 0.1% of risk and will prepare for the 0.3% of reward. 1 is to 2 risk reward or 1 is to 3 risk reward, I will plan for it. And the next pair is Euro USD. Euro USD is looking short for now, and I can't see any good trades here. But I will definitely plan a long trade if it comes around 49.50. So let's see. We will wait and watch. The next pair is Euro JPY. I do not often trade this pair, but it is currently in a bullish momentum, and it seems like it is coming down from here for the retest of the next trend line. But I'm not going to trade this one because I can't find this very much interesting, and it's very risky to trade against the trend because it's already in the bull run. So if I find any good entry for the upside, then I will look into this, but definitely for now I'm not looking in trade into this. So next is the USD CAD. This is also the bullish, but look here, it is trying to cross resistance level, which was earlier a resistance level, but I don't think so. It is going to cross in one flow. So from tomorrow, I will look for this and plan a trade. I think so. Here is the next resistance level. This resistance level will be going to touch by tomorrow, and then it will take a small pullback, and then here I will plan to go long. I'm talking about the 15-minute time frame. Let's come to the 15-minute time frame, then we'll analyze this. So I'm expecting a pullback, as I told you here. I'm talking about this one. If it go up to here 1.38600, and then we'll come back again to 38,250, then I will enter around 38,250. My entry zone, I'm going to mark this one is 38,250, which is still higher from the current level. So I will plan to enter here, but not in this current flow. I will wait till it go higher, 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 and then take a small pullback here. Then I will plan to enter here with a small stop loss. I will look the stop loss by that time. So here is the USD JPY. It's still trading in a range, so we will not look into this much. And if you look on the daily charts, it's not very much interesting, but if it comes toward the short, so it is going to fall very harder. So let's see and wait into this. If it is crossing down below 156.500, then we will plan a short entry here. So let's see how it works. And on the 15-minute time frame, if we look here, so we have to wait. It is also a good opportunity to short here, but the momentum is very strong. If you look here, the last 1 or 2 hours, the momentum is very bullish, and I don't want to fight against trend. So wait and watch till it comes around this level. It is 157.200, or if it comes down to 156.498, then I will plan for a bullish trade. Otherwise, if it breaks down, then I will go into the short entry, because I find the bullish trade will be from here. It will be not much that higher reward, but it's a kind of good trade, because if it will come down here and then it may bounce back up again to 157.20. So a stop loss would be our around 200 points, but target would be very much higher, around 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 4. But if you look on the daily chart, then I will show you here. If you will look on the daily chart, there is a very high risk reward thing, and if it breaks down this support line, then it is definitely coming down toward the 155, and then it may also break this 154.55 level. Then we can see a big opportunity towards 151 or 150 level. So I'm definitely going to enter the short entry into this if it breaks down 156.500. So let's see, the next pair is the AUD USD, and I don't think so it is very much interesting for me, but it also seems a very bullish from now. But let's see the daily trend. If you saw this, the daily trend is falling down and it's bearish, so we are not going to trade the on the bullish side. So just wait and watch. If it comes around this level, then we will plan to go short into this, but we are definitely going to wait into this for 0.6 is 850 or 800 level. then we can plan to go short into this. And if you saw this, this is also the support level which is going to react as a resistance level from now. And the next pair is New Zealand USD, and this seems little bullish on the time frame but very bearish on the daily time frame. So we are not going to trade this. Also, I see here it is a very good support level, so it may bounce very hard from now, but I'm not going to plan this any trade. If it comes down again towards this level, I will plan the long entry if it comes down around or just below 450 or something. If it hits the 57 450 level, and let's make a range here, draw a box. If it comes down in this box, then I will plan for a long entry here, and my stop loss would be here. If you saw the stop loss, my stop loss would be around, see how much percentage it is. So my stop loss is 0.22%, so definitely I'm not going to enter here. So let's see, I'm going to plan the risk of 0.10%. So 1.15% is also fine. So we are definitely going to trade from this box zone. If it is not coming into this, then we will plan to go short around this level. And I'm not deciding it right now, but look when it reaches this level. Thank you.